Hey there, welcome back to day 2 of our 60-day health transformation journey. We're discussing SMART goals today: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. They provide us with a roadmap to success, guiding us towards our desired outcomes with clarity and purpose. Let's break down each component of SMART goals, starting with specific. The aim is to be clear, precise, and measurable with what you want, and ensure it's achievable. It should align with your bigger objectives and have a set deadline. Now, armed with the knowledge of what SMART goals are, it's time to start some of your own. Now that we've covered the basics of SMART goals, it's time to put into action. Assess your health goals. Are they SMART? If not, refine them. Clarity and purpose will guide you. Setting SMART goals leads to success. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video where we'll discuss meal planning. Until then, keep striving for greatness.